The official myfxbook results from the Night Hunter Pro Expert Advisor has been fantastic. However, when I tested it on my own accounts on both Go Markets and IC Markets, the results have been quite dismal. Today I'm going to do a deep dive and look at exactly every single trade and try and figure out how we can improve the profits on the Night Hunter Pro. First of all, here is the vendor's myfxbook account, and I'm going to zoom into 4 months where I was also trading the Night Hunter Pro on Go Market. Up the top is my own personal account on FX Blue on the Go Markets Plus broker, and at the bottom is the vendor's myfxbook account, and both have been filtered from Feb to June. And we can see a huge discrepancy between my results and her results, and nothing at all alike. If we look at the detailed statistics in terms of which currencies, you can see I'm trading 3 currencies, whereas the vendor is trading 2. So going forward, I'm going to scrap Euro, Swiss franc. And in terms of number of trades, for Euro US, I'm trading 34 trades, whereas the vendor has 24. So a significantly lower amount of trades. Same with the pound. I've got 29 and the vendor has 13. Here are 2 charts. On the left, I have my own account, and on the bottom, I have the vendor's account. And these are both pound US, spanning about March to May. And you can see there are quite a few times when I am trading, but the vendor is not trading. I do expect some differences between different brokers, but this shows me that this expert advisor is highly broker sensitive, and to get better results, I do need to jump on the vendor's broker, IC Markets. Next, we've got the Euro US, and it's not so bad. I only can see about 1 or 2 trades that are different between my own account, which is up the top, and the vendor's account, which is at the bottom. Next, I went and plotted every single trade to check out the profitability, and we are both trading at 0.01 lot size, so we are really comparing apples to apples. And I can see for every single trade, the vendor does have more profit than I do. For example, this one, I'm losing 43 cents, whereas the vendor lost only 34 cents. In this trade, I'm making 26 cents and the vendor is making 74 cents. And you check out every single trade, the vendor is making more money than I am. 3 weeks ago, I went and opened an IC Markets account, which is exactly the same broker that the vendor has. And even though the profit hasn't been great for both the vendor's account and my own account, it does look at least very similar. We have this big loss at the start, and then we're slowly increasing, and the vendor's looks almost exactly the same. In terms of number of trades, for the Euro US, I have 4 trades, whereas the vendor has 3, and the pound I have 5 trades, whereas the vendor has 2. So I'm still trading slightly more than the vendor, but let's go to the charts and see where they're different. Again, we've got my trades at the top and the vendor's trades at the bottom. And now we're getting something where I can see every single trade for the Euro US for the past 3 weeks are exactly the same. Even though the first one did make a huge loss of about $6, every single trade is fairly close in terms of profitability. I don't expect each and every single one to enter and exit at the exact same time because of slippage, VPS, other issues, but at least we're looking very similar. Moving to the pound US, and I can see that the vendor has 5 trades the past 3 weeks, whereas I have 4 trades, and our monetary amounts are slightly different again. I don't expect them to be exactly the same, but at least they're all sort of similar in terms of profit. I'm really happy with my results so far. Even though it's not profitable, at least we're matching the vendor's results, and hopefully in the next few months, our profits will slowly increase over time. There was that one trade though on the pound US that differed between my account and the vendor's account. So what I'm going to do is hop back onto the user dashboard. I'll navigate to the myfxbook section and find the Night Hunter Pro and grab this set file and update my MT4 terminal with this set file right here. So I make sure that I have the exact settings that the vendor has, just in case she's made any updates. If you have the Night Hunter Pro Expert Advisor and you find your results aren't that good, try changing brokers because this one does seem very broker sensitive. This is not a recommendation to buy this expert advisor. I'm merely showing you my process on how I analyze my trades, the vendor's trades, and the steps I'm taking to try and improve the profitability. While this expert advisor is broker sensitive, watch this video right here where I showcase the evening scalper where I had good results from day one and it doesn't seem to be that broker sensitive.